Welcome to Shop Things, episode 2, where I try to explain why I haven't gotten a haircut yet. So, this week, we wrapped a Subaru WRX STI in 3M's black satin gold dust.
Try to shut you up, but all I get is carried away.
So right now I'm kind of waiting for him to come pick it up, and then right after that I have an EP3 that I'm going to work on right away, which I already started. It's a spoon edition. It's kind of just sitting outside. This is the EP3. Basically he wants the spoon design, which is, you know, half blue with the stripes and all that. I haven't had time to work on it. I got the hood and the fender. It looks pretty good, but I still got a lot of work to do. I just wanted to record this beautiful moment. That's it? So what happened?
I put my hair pick on my key in my ignition, and then I couldn't get my key back out of my ignition because of my hair pick. But look how beautiful my hair was.
So you used a torch to just pry it out.
Yeah, see, it melted it so I could rip it off.
Genius.
Tell you I've heard enough, but every time there's something to say, help me hallucinate.
So the spoon EP3 is coming out great, right? We got this little shadow going on right here. It's coming out okay, you know. This is the new wrap job. This car is going purple, all purple, right? And some news with Patty's car again. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. They have to know. You got hit again.
These visuals are crazy.
Meanwhile.
Hi guys, so we are hi guys, we are here at Honda Fest. It's me and Miss Accord. So we're gonna show you guys what Honda Fest actually looks like. It's freaking ridiculous. There's so many cars. VIP is packed, and outside is packed as well, and it's hot as balls.
That's what she said!
These visuals are
So we got a new microphone. What do you think? Huh? Alright, this is me speaking directly into the big fuzzy microphone. Is it better? I just got it just because I didn't want to keep getting all these, you know, random noises. So right now we are wrapping a roof. So the guy that decided to actually, you know, set his car on fire on purpose is here trying to wrap a roof.
It's still over there though. Still runs and drives.
update. What'd you do, Patty?
We prepped the car and got it ready for a wrap.
Patty is extremely tired.
Yeah.
So she did have some imperfections in the paint, but that's the point of a wrap. Sometimes you just want to pay for a good paint job, but not really the body work, because the body work itself, it's expensive. You have a lot of dents and some dings here and there, but she decided to just wrap over it. This is a purple plum explosion. Depending on the light, it's purple, like an indigo on camera. But there you go. This car is being put on hold, but it will be ready for Super Honda Meet the 15th. Stay tuned.